When we talk about belly fat, we mean the hard, visceral fat that lies deep in your abdomen and surrounds your organs. This type of fat is more dangerous than the soft fat that sits just under your skin. Too much belly fat has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. The good news is that the food that you eat plays a key role in belly fat. And in today's video, we will tell you the 7 worst foods for belly fat, and you should ditch them right now. Watch till the end to learn about all of them. Number 1. Fruit juice. It's natural, it's packed with vitamin C. What could be wrong? Well, while 100% fruit juice is a better pick than sugary drinks, even the all-natural stuff still packs up to 36 grams of sugar per cup. This is about the same if you ate 4 Krispy Kreme glazed donuts. What's more, most of the sweetness in juice comes from fructose, a type of sugar associated with visceral adipose tissue. Yep, that's belly fat. Instead, your best bet is to stick with plain water. But there is a way to add some flavor. You can add fresh sliced fruit like oranges and grapefruit. The key is to keep the peels on. Citrus peels are rich in powerful compounds that help flush toxins from the body and allows it to release stored belly fat. Number 2. French fries. When you fry your food, it will most likely contain a high volume of calories, unhealthy fats, and salt. Most restaurants deep fry their fries to make them crispy. The danger is that this adds a considerable amount of calories and fat. A study found that people who ate fried potatoes more than 2 times in a week were at a higher risk of dying before those who ate the food less often. So, it is advisable to avoid eating French fries and other fried food on a regular basis. What's your favorite fried food? Tell us quickly down below in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more healthful tips. Number 3. Alcohol. Alcohol contains calories that can add up quickly, and it can also contribute to your appetite. It is something to be consumed at a minimum when you're working to make your health a priority. Drinking can lead to dehydration and water retention. It can leave you feeling bloated and puffy. Also, cocktails are usually brimming with sugary fruit juices and syrups that will send your blood sugar skyrocketing. Beers, even light beers, are heavy in calories but low in nutritional value, and will not get you any closer to a flat stomach or better overall health. Number 4. Pizza. Even if there are some veggies sprinkled on top, it's important to know that pizza is still, well, pizza. It's the second biggest contributor of saturated fat to the American diet, just below cheese itself. And most slices serve up half a day's worth of the artery clogger. Researchers have found that unlike other fats, saturated fat is most likely stored in the stomach. It is highly fattening for the same reason that French fries are. It scores very high in fat, calories, and sodium. For example, a 12-inch pie of pizza, which is considered a medium-sized pie, has an average of a whopping 1,835 calories. Number 5. Cookies. Cookies are most often made from ingredients that don't fill you up, like flour, sugar, and butter. Plus, they usually have other high-calorie, tasty ingredients, like chocolate chips, added as well. That's why cookies are highly fattening. Studies even show that cookie consumption is likely to significantly increase blood pressure and body fat. So if you want to lose weight, go for the natural sweets like watermelon instead. Not only will that help you control your calorie intake, but it'll also leave you feeling fuller, and you'll end up consuming a broad spectrum of beneficial micronutrients. Number 6. Canned soup. When it comes to canned soups, you're going to want to make sure you're choosing the right ones. There are plenty that sneak in a ton of sodium. This not only causes belly bloat, but actually can increase your appetite, making it hard to know when you're full. Number 7. Margarine. Margarine is usually loaded with trans fat and is found in plenty of pastries, crackers, and snack foods, and even microwave popcorn. So limit intake to keep cholesterol levels in check. Choose a small amount of regular butter or soft spread over margarine when topping foods or baking. So what foods are the most difficult to stay away from that increase your belly fat? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Effortlessly Fit, for more health and fitness tips.